All right, today we have Maeve with JJ.
JJ, sit.
Let's see what she got. Good sit, JJ.
Gentle, gentle.
Nice, gentle.
JJ, down.
Lie down.
Gentle.
She's a little excited. Good, lie down.
Gentle. Gentle. Good girl. Sit.
Back up to a sit from a lay down. Gentle.
Touch.
Touch. Good touch, JJ.
JJ.
Good job.
Good girl. JJ. 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 Touch.
Another touch from JJ.
Touch. Good girl.
Good job, JJ.
Nice. Down. Spin.
Ooh, look at that spin.
Good girl. Spin. Oh.
Another spin.
JJ. Sit.
And back to a sit.
Good girl.
Good
Now,
job.
Let's see if you can catch this.
Can JJ catch a ball? Ooh, a treat. Ooh, good girl.
Oh! JJ.
And there she gets to fetch. Good girl. Good girl.